Hey friends, I need your help. So I am leaving on a much needed vacation for a few days with my partner, and I currently have 11 pieces of furniture strung throughout my house and garage that need my attention. So this is where you come in. I am going to show you the 11 outstanding pieces, and I would like you to decide for me what I will be working on when I return. So I hope you will sit back, relax, and watch through this and help me make that decision. And for those of you that this is your first time, please know my name is Scott. This is Scottified Furniture. We do furniture flipping, we do befores and afters, we do tips and tricks, how-tos, and I even show my mistakes. So I hope you'll hit that follow and subscribe, and let's get it started. All right, so up first we have this 8-drawer comfort mid-century modern dresser. It has been sitting here in my bedroom for about 5 months. You can see there is quite a bit of damage on top that will need attention. There's also some damage on the veneer around the edge bases that'll need attention as well. So, item number 1, comfort mid-century modern dresser. Okay, so let's go to item number 2. This is a 9-drawer dresser. This is in my guest bedroom. This was actually my dresser before moving in here with my partner. And I do like it. It's a little big for the space. So this may be one that I flip and put something else in here, or I may end up keeping. You can already see on the top drawers I've been playing around with what types of knobs I would like on it. So this is going to be, again, item number 2, the 9-drawer guest bedroom dresser. Here we have item number 3. This is a mix and match set of French provincial nightstands. I have thought about either trying to do them together as a his and hers pair or individually. The work on them basically is going to be clean up and paint. I'm not sure how they'll work together, but that's for me to find out, I guess. So again, item number 3, French provincial mix and match nightstands. Item number 4. This is a single side table that I found on the road with an iron base. Not much to it. However, I saw it and I just thought it needed to be saved. It should be fairly easy to do, but again, it's been sitting here for several months. So item number 4 is going to be the iron-based side table. Item number 5, this is an IKEA dresser, 3 large drawers. I've had it for about 3 months. It is going to need some work. It's going to need a new back. It's going to need some drawer runners. I believe I've even going to have to go to IKEA to get a few other items for it. I think it could be restored nicely. However, it will be some work. But there you have it. Item number 5, IKEA chest of drawers dresser. Item number 6. This is a vintage cane top side table. I've never worked with cane. However, it is in good condition. Again, I think it needs to be cleaned up, maybe restained. I think there's going to be some banding work on it. But again, what do you think? Item number 6, cane table. Item number 7, this is a mid-century modern table that we have here. Definitely needs some work. I've only had it a couple of weeks. I got a really good deal on it. I think it could look nice. It's definitely going to take some elbow grease though to make that happen. So there we go. Item number 7, your mid-century modern table. Item number 8. This is this really cool 2-tier mid-century modern inspired coffee table, side table. I think this could be really cool in a small space. It has some chips in it. I'm not quite sure what I want to do to it, but I definitely think we can zhuzh it up. So there you go. Item number 8, mid-century modern round table. Item number 9 is going to be this really cool pair of dark nightstands. They are really cool in that they have the front storage drawers as well as hidden compartments under the top. They do have lights underneath. I have a couple of ideas for them. They are super heavy and big. But yeah, you can kind of see here. They've got the really cool storage under there. The drawers open, the top slides. So there you go. Item number 9, pair of dark nightstands. All right, item number 10 is going to be this antique tallboy dresser. I've had it for several months. I actually had 2. I've already done one that is sold and is now in Mexico. But that is going to be item number 10. I think this is going to probably be either paint or paint and wood if the top comes out nice. But let me know if that's your vote. Item 10, antique chest of drawers. And last but certainly not least, item number 11, this pair of metal chairs. Again, something that I found roadside. They were discarded. I am going to clean them up, give them a fresh coat of paint. May want to pick a fun color since we're here in Florida. But I think they could be fun. Who knows? Those may end up staying back here on my back patio as well. But that is my item number 11, metal chairs. Well, there you have it. 11 items sitting in my inventory collecting dust. So I ask you again for your help. Drop a comment. Let me know item 1 through 11, which one you prefer, and maybe even add in there what you'd like to see me do to it. I am going to be gone for a week starting Saturday, so there won't be any updates, but I do look forward to coming back and reading your comments and hearing what you think I should do. Please know I'm also posting this on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. You can find me under Scottified Furniture in those places as well. And again, if you're not following or subscribing, I encourage you to click those buttons and do so, and share with a friend, because sharing is what? Sharing is caring. So until next time, have a great rest of your week, and I will see you real soon.